Have you ever heard of Pepper's ghost? How would you like to turn your brother into a skeleton?
I would definitely like to do that.
Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome to Midnight Science Club. My name is Nick, I'm a wizard in training, and this is...
Ethan, also a wit.
So today we're filling in for the wizard because he's out trying to buy some candy for Halloween, and we thought maybe we'd try to see if we could conjure up a ghost here in the studio. Have you ever heard of Pepper's ghost?
No, I haven't. If there's Pepper's ghost, is there such a thing as Salt's ghost?
Never heard of Salt's ghost, but I wouldn't be surprised. I think Pepper's ghost is a little healthier for you.
Yeah.
So Pepper's ghost is an illusion named after John Henry Pepper, who invented this illusion back in the 1860s. He used it to make ghosts appear on stage that you couldn't see until magically they appeared. Would you like to see what Pepper's ghost looked like?
Definitely.
All right, let's check it out.
Wow, that is so cool.
So this is our mascot, Lab. He's a little statue Labrador that hangs out in the lab with us. And he just appeared right in front of you. Can you reach out and touch him? What do you feel?
Air.
Nothing there, right? He's a ghost.
Yes.
And just as quickly as he appeared, we can make him disappear. Gone. Crazy, right? Do you want to know how it works?
Definitely.
Okay, what do you see on the table in front of you?
I see a panel of glass and 2 clamps.
So there's stuff on the table that we can see, but everybody at home can't see what's off to the side, right?
Yes.
Because we've got Beckett with a flashlight, and we've got Lab sitting over there. What do you know about a piece of glass? When you look through it, what do you see?
The things on the other side of it, because light can pass through glass.
Yeah, light goes through it. We use it for windows. We use it so that we can see outside. But do you also, if you get low and you kind of look, can you see your reflection in the glass?
Yes.
Or see like my reflection?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going? There's something with glass called a critical angle. This is an angle of light where when it gets too steep, instead of just going straight through the glass, it bounces off of it instead. So with the way that we've got this set up, we've got Beckett with the flashlight, and when he shines the flashlight on Lab, he lights up. Now that he's lit up, that light that's coming off of him bounces off the glass and back into the camera. So everybody on that side of the glass is seeing the reflection of Lab in the glass. Isn't that pretty crazy?
Yeah.
There's actually a lot of technology that uses this bouncing off of glass to create an image that you can see. One of the ones that a lot of people use is called a teleprompter. So it's something that shows words that you can read while you're doing something like working in front of a camera. So you can look at the camera through a piece of glass, but see words that you're supposed to say. A really famous version is actually in Disney's Haunted Mansion ride. They make a whole ballroom that's empty suddenly look like it's full of dancing ghosts. Well, I want to take it up a notch. Can you think of any applications for this crazy phenomenon besides making a ghost appear?
Well, you could use it for a Halloween trick.
Halloween trick? How would you like to turn your brother into a skeleton?
I would definitely like to do that.
Yeah, we should do that next.
You ready, Elliot?
Yep.
Hey, thanks for joining us at Midnight Science Club. We hope you had a great time. And if you want to see more of what we do,
You can find us all over social media. And if you want to see some backstage stuff, you can find us on Patreon.
yeah, Patreon. That's where the good stuff is.
Make sure to comment below and tell us what you think we should turn into a ghost next.
I want to hear what you want to turn into a ghost. Isn't that right, guys?
Yep.
Did you like turning into a ghost?
Yes. Not that it's happened yet, but yes.
They've seen it happen already. Come on, man. They don't know we shoot this out of order.